Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to import LUT in Capcut PC. So if you don't know what it means, it means lookup table. So basically what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser and then search for this. You can just copy what I have typed above here, and in the side you can see the meaning, the purpose, the reason why you need to add a lot to your CapCut. So you can see some articles here and samples, but what I want you to do is you have to look, or you have to click specifically this pack here. So you can see options above, this pink one with lines. What you're going to do is you have to look for this um free lot pack right here. So you have to tap that one, and you have to look for something that you need to add your email address, and you need to download this. So in order for you to download, you need to add your email address. So let me tap this one, free lot pack, or you can open this to other tab if you want. Scroll down till you see this, or till you find this one right here. So download your free cinematic lot pack. You have to enter your email address here, and then after that you can now download this one. But of course, before you can download, it will be sent to your Gmail, and all you have to do is to open your Gmail. So successfully sent to your Gmail. So you can go to your Gmail, open your Gmail, and tap the link here. Now, if this link doesn't work, you just have to simply copy the link below. As you can see here, if this one didn't work on your browser, or all you have to do is to copy this part right here, the second link, and then paste it to your new tab. Okay, so let me copy, open new tab here, and then paste, and that's it. Now it's downloading. So what you're going to do now is you have to go to your download, and then you have to right click and then extract this file, because this one is zip file. So you have to extract this one, and then you have to locate the folder. Okay, so this is our lot folder right here. So this is our lot effects. Now you can open your CapCut. So open your CapCut, go to adjustment, and then go to lot, and then click import. Now import the effects that is included or located to each folder right here. Everything is up to you, but for me, I want to import all. So you can just open one by one and then import. Now, in order for you to see the result, or how are you going to use this one, of course, I'm going to add a video right here, but you could also do this to your photo. So, for example, this is the video. Let me drag it below. Okay, resize this one. Okay, and then, okay, let me zoom this one first for you to make it, or for this video to be visible. Now, to apply this effect, you just have to drag and then extend it. And this is what it looks like. So basically, that's it. Now you can add another one. And as you can see, the effect is really good and it's amazing. You can add 2 to 3 effects. So you can just simply add it right here, add again, put it in the middle, and for the last part, you can add another one. So basically, that's it. All you have to do is to look for the website, download, import it on the CapCut to enjoy the wonderful result of using this effect. So as a result, this is what it looks like. Now you can import your video after. And that's it. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.